A new report has been issued illustrating how susceptible Canadians are to COVID-19 and specifically the Omicron subvariants. The COVID-19 Immunity Task Force is describing the results of their study in Omicron Tsunami. Between December 2021 and May of this year, it's estimated more than 17 million Canadians were infected. That's an average of 100,000 a day. And the task force reports the number of Canadians who've contracted COVID-19 is well above 50%.
It was this gigantic tidal wave that hit us.
The report studied blood samples from Canadians, focusing on antibodies built up from previous infections. The results? Those who have contracted the Omicron variant or one of its subvariants steeply increased in every province.
This variant was extremely transmissible. It caused people to have asymptomatic infections with no symptoms. So they went about doing their daily thing, and we were lifting all these restrictions.
Omicron, with its various subvariants, continues to spread. In Quebec, more than 1,800 cases were reported Wednesday, the highest daily count in more than 2 months.
A lot of people mistakenly believe that if you get COVID once, you can never get COVID again. That is not true.
Dr. Chris Lamos says that while Canada has a strong vaccination rate for the first and second doses, the rate for third and even fourth doses is very low, especially among the youth and young adults. While the Omicron subvariants aren't as virulent as previous variants, it continues to mutate and becomes more transmissible.
Do you take any medication?
Deciding whether to get a fourth shot to prevent illness really depends on the individual's health and the length of time between doses.
If it's been a long time since your third dose and if you're at higher risk, because the case numbers are going up, I probably would get a fourth dose at this point.
Epidemiologists say up-to-date vaccinations and wearing masks still offer the best protection.
Cut people slack if they're wearing a mask and you don't feel like wearing one.
Thursday morning, Quebec's public health director and the health minister will give an update on the COVID situation and what likely to expect in the coming months. Tim Sargeant, Global News, Montreal.